Hello friends and welcome back to the Radeon channel. So friends, today I will talk about VASTARMOR Radeon RX 9070 XT Super Alloy Ultra Graphics card with all new colors. So friend, most colorful Radeon RX 9070 XT8. So friend, think fresh design but featuring all the colors, and that's new Super Alloy Ultra. VASTARMOR has just unveiled the new Radeon RX 9070 XT design, which is a new Radeon model but rather its flagship painted in a very unusual color scheme in the RX 9070 XT Super Alloy with Navi 48 XT GPU with 4096 stream processor combined with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory across a 256-bit bus. According to VASTARMOR, this model has boost clock of 3100 MHz and the same as previous Super Alloy variant, and the card powered by 3 8-pin connector and required 800 watt of power supply, and it measures 32.6 cm in length and take up to 2.5 slot. And the Super Alloy Ultra will join Super Alloy Black and Super Alloy White model, and both of which have the same specification including the 3.1 GHz boost. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.